I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Quick Look is available. Install PowerToys or the Quick Look app and enable its File Explorer integration. Once done, open File Explorer and select the file you want to inspect. Press space to instantly summon the preview. You do this because Quick Look avoids launching heavy apps and lets you scan content fast. Make sure focus is on the file row and not the folder pane. This guarantees the space shortcut triggers the preview immediately. Now you learn to navigate. With Quick Look open, press left or right arrow to jump to adjacent files while the preview persists so you can compare quickly. Once you need full editing, press Enter to open the file in its default app. Press space to close the preview. You also have toolbar controls, zoom, rotate, page navigation for multi-page documents, and playback for media, so you can inspect details without leaving the window. This saves time and reduces context switching. You finish by customizing Quick Look. Open its settings to set default hotkeys, tweak which file types it handles, and enable environmental options like thumbnails or dark theme. If pressing space does nothing, make sure the app or PowerToys is running, confirm File Explorer focus, and restart Explorer. EXE or reboot. This fixes most binding issues. If a file won't preview, add a plugin or convert the file to a supported format. This
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.